Turn on the PC light strip.
Okay, turning on the PC light strip.
Make it color violet.
Sure, changing the PC light strip to violet.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Peter James. I've got some new lights here and let's take a look at Yeelight LED Lightstrip 1S. I will also integrate it with my Google Home, so watch out to know how. Are you ready? Let's begin! Opening the box and we can find an instruction manual. Then the LED strip itself with a controller. There's also a power brick here and a US plug that I believe may vary per region. This is the Xiaomi Yeelight LED Lightstrip 1S, the newest generation. The body is very flexible. It is transparent and soft to touch, which I believe is made out of silicone. It feels very premium. Very nice, huh? Even though this is soft, it is very strong. You can see the LED elements here in equal distance. This strip is 2 meters long. You can buy a 1 meter extension for a fraction of the base. It can be extended up to 10 meters long. If it's too long for you, it can be shortened. Just cut it in the far end. If you do that, you cannot extend it anymore. I advise just block the light if you want to shorten it. Like, put a black vinyl electrical tape. There's an adhesive tape at the back, wherein you can stick it anywhere you want. But it's for one-time use only, so I just use a tape when putting this at the back of my table. The setup is just simple. Just plug it to the wall socket. Click the button on the controller to turn it on or off. Oh, you can change the color by long pressing it. But I believe this is intended to be controlled via a mobile app. The Yeelight LED Lightstrip 1S supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Just download the Yeelight app and Mi Home App. Both available on iOS App Store and Google Play Store. From the instructions it says downloading the Yeelight app is enough, but I cannot set it using that. So I need to download Mi Home App for this one. Just go to your Mi Home App, log in and click the add button at the top right corner. Turn on the Bluetooth and location services. Make sure the Yeelight is turned on. It will scan supported Mi devices, and you should see the Yeelight LED Lightstrip 1S. Tap it and select the Wi-Fi router name you want to connect. Enter the Wi-Fi password and bring the phone closer to the device. Wait for the configuration to be finished, then select a room, put a name on it, and you're done. You can now see the Yeelight LED Lightstrip 1S on your Mi Home app. On the Yeelight app, just log in with the same Mi account and you will find the Yeelight LED Lightstrip. In here, you can change the color of the strip with different presets, flow, as well as the brightness. You can turn it on or turn it off. On the other hand, using the Mi Home app, you can set up an automation rules for this, such as turning on or off automatically. Or for example, using a sensor to automatically turn it off or on, depending on what you set. For the 1S version, you can integrate it with different home assistants such as Google Home, Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, and Samsung SmartThings. This can also be connected with Razer Chroma RGB to be synced on your PC. Turn on the PC light strip.
Okay, turning on the PC light strip.
Make it color violet.
Sure, changing the PC light strip to violet.
Turn off the PC light strip.
Got it.
To set up on your Google Home, Just go to Home App by Google, open, and then click the add button at the top left corner. Tap Setup Device and choose Have Something Already Set Up. Then find the Yeelight. Sign in with your Mi account, then select the devices to add and assign it to a room. That's it! The Yeelight strip is now connected to the Google Home. Wrapping things up, if you want a premium LED strip with an app and voice control, this is the perfect solution. Yes, this strip is more expensive compared to other Chinese-made LED strip, but it is justified by having a cool app that can be controlled on your phone and can also be automated. Yes, I am very happy with it and I would gladly recommend it. The verdict? 5 stars! That's it guys, check my other video, like this one, the review for Google Home Mini, which can be found here. Like the video if you like it, subscribe for more videos like this, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Thank you guys! See you in the next video, bye!